Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 392 in black clear coat. With LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, body color fender flares, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 7,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select track full-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, trunk mounted subwoofer, V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6494.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.